In this video, you will learn how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to perform these transactions securely and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign in to your account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate the wallet section in the top navigation bar. Click on Wallet to open the drop-down menu where you will find options for both deposit and withdrawal. Choose either deposit or withdraw based on your intended action. It is essential to select the correct cryptocurrency from the list provided, as this will determine the specific deposit or withdrawal process. Additionally, ensure that you have selected the appropriate network for the transaction, as different cryptocurrencies may operate on various networks. Once you have made your selections, you will be prompted to copy the deposit address if you are depositing, or to enter the withdrawal address for sending funds. If depositing, make sure to copy the address accurately to avoid any loss of funds. If withdrawing, carefully enter the recipient's address. Next, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to deposit or withdraw. Be diligent during this step, as entering an incorrect amount could lead to issues. After entering the amount, review the network fees associated with the transaction, as these can vary depending on the network and the amount. Confirm all details to proceed with the transaction. After confirming the transaction, the system will process your deposit or withdrawal request. This may take some time depending on the network congestion. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your transaction is being processed. At this stage, it is important to keep track of your transaction status. Navigate to the transaction history section within your wallet to monitor the progress of your transaction. Here, you will find detailed information regarding the status of your deposit or withdrawal. As your transaction progresses, you will need to wait for the necessary blockchain confirmations to complete the process. This may take several minutes, depending on the network load. Once the required confirmations are received, you can verify your wallet balance to ensure that the funds have been successfully deposited or withdrawn. It is also advisable to save the transaction hash provided, as this can be useful for tracking your transaction on the blockchain. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.